Imagine living inside a small boat that moves a lot, but never seems to get anywhere. You search forward, you believe you have momentum, and then something drags you back to the same shoreline. Welcome to the pattern recognizer. You start, you stall, you return, start, stall, return. It feels like failure, even when you were in motion. I call it the keel and the sail. One part of you anchors for safety, the keel. The other catches every gust of desire, the sail. Together they should carry you. Too often they fight, and you oscillate. So what's wiring the swing? Listen. Think of the keel as loss avoidance. Old promises of safety that feel heavier with time. Slow, steady, protective. And the sail, curiosity, hunger, ambition, bright, eager, impatient. It lifts you toward new shorelines. From childhood, we learn roles that harden into identity. Keep the family safe, be practical, don't cause waves. Those instructions build a keel, quiet, persistent, and stern. Shame shows up too. You don't deserve more. Attachment whispers. You might lose what you have. Together they make retreat feel rational. Now look at form. Sacred geometry gives us a map. The square holds containment, stable, resistant. Think keel. The triangle and spiral point outward, direction, expansion. Think sail. Rosicrucian alchemy describes the same polarity, containment and release. The error most people make is treating one side as enemy. That creates friction. That is the oscillation. Here is a reframe that matters. Your inner architecture is a vessel, not a verdict. The keel protects what matters. The sail points toward what wants to be built. Neither is wrong, both are necessary. Steering is a skill. It asks for alignment, not annihilation. And alignment is a practice. So let's do the precise intervention. The 4-minute keel-sail alignment. 4 minutes, daily, high leverage. I'll walk you through each minute. Minute 1, breathe with intention. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold 2, exhale for 6. Repeat 8 cycles. Feel the body settle, the keel lowering, not sinking, but rooted. Let gravity be a friend. Minute 2, pick up a pen. Draw for 60 seconds. First, a square. What do you protect? Then, in the same motion, sketch a triangle or spiral. Where do you want to go? Symbolic clarity beats perfection. Don't judge the drawing. This is a map, not a masterpiece. Minute 3. Craft a single line intention that fuses discipline with desire. Say, I commit to steady steps toward X with protection for what matters. Replace X with a 3-month outcome. Repeat the line 3 times, feel it in the chest, let it settle into the keel and lift the sail. Minute 4. Anchor with a tiny, concrete action. 1 call, 1 paragraph, 10 focused minutes. Make the smallest step you can commit to right now. Small actions become direction. Direction compounds into momentum. Apply it this way. Money. Say you have $2,000 saved and a $200 ad test idea. Protect $180 as your keel. Savings, cushion. Use $20 as the sail to test the idea. Tiny risk, clear boundary. Watch what happens. Projects. Do rehearsal, not endless planning. Commit 10 focused minutes 3 times a week. Treat the rehearsal as a keel, discipline that protects the project from collapse. Relationships. Hold core boundaries while opening small invitations to explore. Protect what matters, allow curiosity to test the edges. Track it 30 days. Each morning, do the 4 minutes. Write 1 sentence about what felt different and 1 action you took that day because of it. Tiny, measurable steps create neural pathways. A few cautions, short and clear. This practice is a durable lever, not a cure-all. If your pattern is rooted in trauma, structural constraints, or complex relationship dynamics, pair this with therapy or community support. I do not blame the individual for systems that shape behavior. Use this as a compassionate tool inside whatever context you occupy. If you want the extended Keel and Sail workbook, guided audio, and a 30-day tracking template, explore the full patterns library at Desmarques.com. Try the 4-minute practice now, then do it tomorrow. Log one change, let that be your first steer. The pattern is the prism. Awareness is the key.